Hi, Norman Hallett here with your next 4-minute drill for traders. Well, the holidays are fast approaching and it's time to reflect on how your trading went for 2012. If you tried a new trading plan this year, did it work out the way you thought it would? Did it work out well for you? Was it a plan that back-tested well and lived up to expectations when you applied it to the real world, when you took a real risk? Or did it back-test well and would have done well if you had the discipline to run the plan like it was written? Well, this is the time of year to be brutally honest with yourself. If you're not, you're going to wind up repeating the same experience next year as you had this year. In fact, you may be experiencing the same thing over and over again, losing year after losing year, while you blame the market or your broker for your losses. Look, statistics say that 9 out of 10 traders who are watching this video had a losing year in 2012. Well, that means one of 3 things. One, the majority of you did not have a trading plan that was a solid one. And by solid one, I mean it wasn't tested properly and it didn't have a tight risk management component to it, or several risk management components. 2, the majority of you did not have the discipline to follow your plan, even if the plan was a solid one. And 3, both of them. You didn't have a solid plan or any discipline to follow your plan, which of course wouldn't have made much difference, because having the discipline to follow a lousy plan will result in an orderly, consistent set of losses. So I ask you, Mr. and Mrs. 90% of traders who lose year after year, I ask you, is 2013 going to be the year where you finally get serious about your trading? Will you be developing a solid trading plan with an excellent risk management scheme? Will you be taking your trading discipline as seriously as you take your trading plan construction? Will you stop blaming everyone else and everything else for your consistent losses? Will 2013 be the year where you take total responsibility for what happens in your trading account and act like a professional trader instead of whatever else you've been acting like in 2012? Look, I'm being hard on you here, because if you don't change your ways, and change your ways now, you're in for another year of dream trading and, of course, losing results. Now, if you did get serious this year about your trading and you didn't put on a trade without consulting your risk parameters, and you had a solid overall trading mindset to execute your plan, then you won't be the first trader to turn around your fortunes, and you won't be the last. I'll tell you right now, being a consistent winning trader is just as addictive, if not more addictive, as being an excuse-making, consistently losing trader. My guess is that you can turn the corner in 2013. And I personally want to be the first one to congratulate you when you win big next year. Okay, that's enough action for this 4-minute drill for traders. So until next week, stay disciplined.